Content creators are making thousands of dollars every month using AI-generated videos, and most people have no idea how easy it's become. What if you could create professional videos with realistic presenters, without ever showing your face or buying expensive equipment? CapCut just changed the game, and these powerful AI tools are currently free to use. I'm about to show you how to tap into this opportunity before everyone else catches on. Let's get started. First of all, you have to install CapCut on your PC. You will get the link in the description. Just grab the link and install it on your device. Okay, this is my CapCut video editor interface. At the top, you will find the option to create a new project. After that, the AI video maker and record screen. Under these, you will find several AI features that are super important for content creators. Now imagine I want to make a video about a teacher talking about dinosaurs. Let's create the video. First, I will create the scene of the teacher talking about dinosaurs. So, I am selecting the AI dialogue scene tool from here. Now we are basically on the video editor interface. And here on the left side, you can notice the AI dialogue scene tab is opened. Now, to create the scene, we have to upload the teacher's image by clicking here. However, if you don't have any image, you can create the image inside CapCut. To do that, come to the AI Image tab. Now, enter the text prompt here in this box. After entering the prompt, you can add a reference. I am skipping this time. Next, set the image generation model. I am selecting the latest image 4.0 model because it is powered by Seedream 4.0, one of the most powerful image generators at this moment. In the end, set the aspect ratio. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button and then wait for some time. I am fast-forwarding the video. And here it is. The images are ready. CapCut generates 4 images using Seedream 4.0. And look at the results, they are just amazing. Now select the best image and then save it to your device. Okay, our image is ready. Now come to the AI Dialogue Scene Generator tab. Upload the image by clicking here. Once the image is uploaded, we have to enter the dialogue. You can enter the text and generate the voiceover inside CapCut, or upload a pre-recorded voiceover by clicking here. This time, I am entering the script I already collected. Once the script is ready, we have to select the voice actor. You will find a vast number of voice actors here. If you are not satisfied with them, click on More Voices from here, and you will find all the voice actors. Set the filters to get the best one. Now, listen to some of them, and then select the best one. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. It will take some time to generate the video. So, I am fast-forwarding the video. And here it is, the scene is ready. Let's have a look.
Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating creatures that ever walked the earth, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago.
This is really amazing. Now our still image is talking gracefully. The gesture is very natural, the movement is subtle, and the lip sync is just perfect. It looks like a scene recorded with a high-end camera in a classroom. I love it. This is not the end. Imagine I have 2 characters in an image, and I want to make this character talk. Let's see how it works. I am uploading the image. Once the image is uploaded, it will automatically detect the characters. Here, you can notice that both characters have been detected. Now we have to select the character we want to make talk. If you select both, the characters will talk at the same time. I am selecting this character. Once the character is selected, enter the script. After entering the script, we have to select the voice actor. This time, I am selecting a female voice. Once done, hit the Generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look.
Dinosaurs were special kinds of reptiles that lived on Earth millions of years ago, long before humans ever appeared.
This is really amazing. You can see that the character I selected is now talking, while the second character is pretending to listen to her. You can use this feature to create a high-quality podcast. For example, now the second character will answer her. So this time I am selecting the second character. After selecting the character, I have to enter the script. Now, simply hit the Generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is, the video is ready.
Wow! Were all dinosaurs big and scary like the T-Rex?
And look at the quality of the video. This is really amazing. So, now in this method, you can create a full podcast with these two characters. You don't need any guest, expensive software, or any other external AI tools to create a podcast. Everything is possible inside CapCut. Okay, now come back to making our dinosaur video. In the same method, I will create all the scenes using the Dialogue Scene Maker. The steps are the same. Upload the character image, enter the script or voiceover, select the voice actor, hit the Generate button, and then wait for some time. In this method, generate all the scenes. Alright, all of our dialogue scenes are ready. However, to make the video more engaging, we need some B-roll footage. I will create all the videos and images inside CapCut. If you want to create any image, come to the AI Image tab, enter the prompt, set the image generation model, and then the aspect ratio. Once done, hit the Generate button, and you will get the images within a few seconds. Now, imagine I want to turn this image into a video clip. To do that, select the image, click on the right button, and then select Image to Video. You will be on the Image to Video generation page. Now, set the video generation model. I will go with the Video 3.0 model. You can select the Video 4.0 model, which is powered by VO3 and supports dialogue and audio. After that, set the video duration between 5 and 10 seconds. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready. And the result is amazing. You can generate video clips directly from text prompts. To do that, select the Text to Video tool from here. Now, enter the text prompt here in this box. After that, select the model, duration, and aspect ratio. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is, the video is ready. Now, in this method, generate all the B-roll footage. Once all the assets are ready, place them according to the script. Add transitions, effects, sound effects, and other elements to make the video engaging. You will get everything inside CapCut. Once done, hit the Export button and then export to your device. As it will take some time to render the video, let's talk about another amazing feature of CapCut AI, the AI Fashion Model Generator. You can generate amazing fashion model images for your clothing brand. First of all, upload the clothing photo. For example, I am uploading this image. Now, we have to select the pose. You can select a model from this vast library. If you are not satisfied with these images, you can generate a new one with AI or even upload from your device. For this time, I am selecting this one. Now, simply hit the Generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is, the image is ready. You can see the result. This is really amazing. It perfectly placed the dress on the character. Now you can save the image to your device and then turn it into a video clip using CapCut AI Video Generator to make a perfect commercial like that. Isn't it amazing? Okay, here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look.
Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating creatures that ever walked the earth, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. Long before humans existed, they ruled the planet during a time called the Mesozoic era, which is divided into 3 periods: the Triassic, the Jurassic, and the Cretaceous. Now, dinosaurs weren't all huge and scary like the movies show. Some were as small as a chicken, while others, like the mighty Argentinosaurus.
This is really an amazing video. So now you can create this kind of explainer video with a presenter inside CapCut. No other tools or setup needed. Now imagine you want to go global and publish this video in different languages. Then this video translator feature can be a game changer for you. After selecting the tool, you have to upload the video. Once the video is uploaded, select the target language. Next, if you want to create a perfect lip sync, then turn on the lip sync feature. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Now, it will take some time to translate the video. I am fast forwarding the video. Okay, the video is ready. You can see the preview from here.
Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler de l'une des créatures les plus fascinantes qui ait jamais marché sur Terre.
This is amazing. The video is now in the French language. In this method, you can translate your video into any language. Now, you can export the video or edit it on CapCut again. So now you can create a high-quality video with a hyper-realistic presenter with the AI dialogue scene generator on CapCut. You can generate B-roll footage and more only with CapCut. You can even translate the video into more than 50 languages. CapCut is not a video editor. Now it's a content creator itself. If you want to boost your content creation journey at a low cost, don't forget to try CapCut. You will get the link in the description. Just grab the link and download and install it on your device to enjoy unlimited content creation. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about CapCut. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!